Hello friends, I am Vijit Agarwal and in this class I will derive you the expression for electric field at a point on axial position of an electric dipole. This topic is related for class 12 physics unit electrostatics. Here, in the last time you have remembered that I have tell you about the what is axial position. This is axial position. Again, I am telling you what is axial position. Axial position is the any point along the length of the electric dipole. First, you will set dipole in this way: negative charge, then positive charge, and distance between them is 12, which is divided in 2 equal half LL. Suppose there is a point P at a distance small r from center of the dipole. You will have to calculate the electric field at a point on this position. It is known that the electric field at a point due to a given charge is equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q upon r square. That formula we will use. First, it should be known that what is the direction of electric field at this point due to two charges. First, this positive charge will repel this point to right side. Suppose this is electric field E1, and negative charge will attract this point towards left side. Suppose this is E2. It should remember that we are assuming that there is a unit positive test charge placed at P. Okay. Then to calculate these electric fields E1 and E2, we have to determine the distance. Distances are from plus Q to P. The distance is R minus L, because the distance between center to point P is R, and you will reduce this L, then you will calculate distance between positive charge and P. This is R minus L, and from negative charge it is R plus L. Now assume that the electric dipole moment is P directed from negative charge to positive charge. This should be the direction of electric field. Then first we will calculate electric field at P due to positive charge and then negative charge. Electric field at P due to plus Q. This is E1. E1 equals 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 charge Q, this positive charge, upon distance between them. Positive charge to P the distance, this is R minus L, R minus L whole square, equation 1. And the electric field at P due to minus Q, E2 is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q upon the total distance between negative charge and P is R plus L. Since both E1 and E2 are in opposite direction, then resulting electric field at P is calculated by subtracting E2 from E1, because E1 is bigger as denominator is less. Net electric field at P, E is E1 minus E2. Then total E. If you subtract equation 2 from 1, then you can see that 1 upon 4 by epsilon 0 and Q is common in both terms. You will take note common. 1 upon 4 by epsilon 0 Q times 1 upon R minus L whole square upon 1 plus R plus L whole square. Then you will solve it by taking LCM. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q common, taking R minus L whole square and R plus L whole square as LCM. When you see the first section, you can solve it. First you will divide that LCM by denominator. You will see R minus L square cancel out, R plus L whole square remain. Similarly here, R minus L whole square will get remain. E equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0. Open it. You can solve it by two methods. Either applying a square minus b square, or otherwise you can separately apply anti a plus b whole square and then a minus b whole square. In both cases you will get the result 4RL. Here you can apply a minus b, a plus b. This is R square minus L square whole square. Arrange it. 4 can split into 2 part, 2 into R into L. Here this is R square minus L square whole square. As we know that if we arrange this as Q into 2L, you can see one of the Q, 2 into L. 2R you can write out outside the bracket. Here R square minus L square whole square. You can see that L is the half of distance to L in between these two opposite charges. As 2L is less, L is also very small. In comparison to this R, L is so less. Here you have to write as L is lesser than R. Therefore, L is very lesser than R square. If L square is so lesser, then you can ignore it. Therefore, R square minus L square can be written as nearly R square. And it is known that in the last class I tell you about electric dipole moment. Q into 2L is written as P, and P is Q into 2L. Then E will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0. From this equation you can write it as P multiplied by 2R divided by, you will ignore L square, then R square whole square will get R4, R raised to the power 4. One of the R cancel out, and you will get the result 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 2p upon R cube. This is the expression for electric field at axial position due to electric dipole. This is the one of the most important derivation in physics for board point of view. Then you have to practice it by writing it, by seeing, by making notes it. And if you like this video, please like it, subscribe it and share it. And in next class, I will tell you about the electric field at a point of equatorial position. Don't forget to see that video. Okay, thank you.